And the great news, I love these live lounges. They make me so excited. We've got Tope in the lounge and ready. Tope, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, and you?
Yeah. So we had to cut that interview short. The news is, we have to go in for the news. As much as it's very depressing, we have to go in for the news. But we'll have a chat after a little bit later anyway.
Oh, yeah.
No, not a problem. But so you're here in the live lounge ready for us, which is exciting, really exciting. I'm really pleased to have you in the studio with us. So what are you going to sing for us?
I'll be singing on my track called Better. It's gonna get better.
Yeah,
no matter the situation.
Nice,
yeah.
nice. And what's behind the track? What's behind the song?
I wrote the song. I just thought about a lot of challenges I've been through in time past, and I know someone might be going through the same.
Right.
So, and I feel like, okay, let me encourage someone that all your trouble is in the gutter. We're going higher.
Fantastic, fantastic. I love that. And the smile is so infectious. Honestly,
Yeah.
I've not stopped smiling. Right. Well, I'm just gonna zip it and leave it up to you. So it's all over to you. Thanks very much.
Yeah, let's go. Femi-san on the beat. In your troubled mind, with no hope in mind, with no hope to find. When you seek, you find. You're gonna let go of pain, 'cause sunshine again. Keep your head up, keep your head up. You're gonna let go of pain, 'cause sunshine again. Keep your head up, keep your head up. It's gonna get better, better. My God is in the center, center. All my troubles in the gutter, gutter. We going higher, higher. It's gonna get better, better. My God is in the center, center. All my troubles in the gutter, gutter. We going higher, higher. No, better, 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 better. Oh, better, 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 better. It's not too late. Just keep the faith. You're gonna celebrate. Just watch and pray. It's not too late. Just keep the faith. You're gonna celebrate. Just watch and pray. You're gonna let go of pain, 'cause sunshine again. Keep your head up, keep your head up. You're gonna let go of pain, 'cause sunshine again. Keep your head up, keep your head up. It's gonna get better, better. My God is in the center, center. All my troubles in the gutter, gutter. We going higher, higher. It's gonna get better, better. My God is in the center, center. All my troubles in the gutter, gutter. We going higher, higher. Hey, better, 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 better. Better, better, better. Better, yeah.
Tope, absolutely banging. Well done, mate.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.